Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chase Freedom Card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, to log into your Chase Freedom Card, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in chase.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Chase Freedom Card login on the Google itself and hit enter. And after that, you can see the online account access credit card of Jade on the first result of Google. Click over there and you can see all these cards over here and click on continue. Now you can see you can apply for any of the cards over here, either Freedom Unlimited, either or Freedom Flex or Sapphire Preferred. Now to log into your Freedom card, you can see the sign in option available over here. Click over there, and to log into your Chase card from your homepage, you can see the credit cards over here. Click there, and you can see the personal credit cards over here. Again, click there. And you can see the Freedom Unlimited, Freedom Flex, as well as Freedom Student, Slates, all kinds of card over here. Now to log into your Freedom Unlimited card from your homepage of the Chase, click over here. And now you can see you can either sign in to apply faster, you can directly, if you have already created a Chase account, but if you have not created a Freedom Unlimited account, you can click here to sign into your Freedom Unlimited card from your Chase account, where you will be able to sign in and apply faster for Freedom Unlimited card. And now to sign into your Freedom Unlimited card, you can see again the sign in option over here. Click over there. As you can see guys, these both websites are same because these both websites are open from the Freedom Unlimited card of Chase. Now let's close one of these sites. Now to log into your Chase Freedom card, you can see you will be required to enter your username and then enter your password over here. And after that, click on sign in to log into your Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. And then if you forgot your username or password, just simply click on forgot username or password and you'll be taken to the page where you can retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Or you can just sign up for your Chase account from over here when you click on sign up. And there guys, this is how you log into your Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.